Hey guys, I leave tomorrow morning. I'm going to be spending a month in Europe and I'm only taking a carry-on. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Here are the 10 tops that I'm taking. Here are the 4 pants I am taking and leather skirt. This will act as pajamas as well as a day pant, and this is Uniqlo. We have Burberry and 2 pairs of Good American jeans and a Vince leather skirt. Here are the 2 jackets I'm taking, 3 dresses, Reformation, Vince Camuto, and Joie. Workout wear, technically 2 tops, 1 sports bra, and 2 Lululemon pants, and a headband if it's that cold, which we think it will be. And here are my accessories, a black shawl, 3 belts, 2 purses. Here are my shoes. I am taking 5 pairs, a lot I know. I'm going to show you how they fit in the suitcase. This is my dressier shoe, warm weather, working out, walking around all day, and this is my rain boot. It will be raining while we're in Europe. And I just want to say thank you to FitFlop. They're basically sponsoring my feet for the trip. I interviewed so many brands and shoes, and these were the most comfortable. I will be walking 30,000 steps in these. And this is my airplane outfit, which means this will not be going in the suitcase. The first layer will be my Wadewell short sleeve tee in this yummy color. Then will be my burgundy cowl neck pullover. Then will be my green Annie Bing jacket, and then my black shawl because I won't be sweaty enough. Yes, I will be too warm, but this is how you fit a month's worth of clothing into a carry-on by putting half of it on your body while you travel. Hey guys, I'm now gonna pack for 1 month in Europe, taking only this carry-on and 1 purse. I did it. Okay, time to pack the purse that goes with it. It's heavy and everything's stuffed, but it works.